Where to find the best sites. Plants and flowers by location. Howdy! So you want to know more about native plants and birds of Tennessee? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about native plants and birds of Tennessee is www.wildflower.org. Specifically the page titled Native Plant Database, Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower. This is the link. You can also try traveltips.usatoday.com, especially the page Native Plants and Animals of Tennessee USA Today. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.wildflower.org. The web page Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center, the University of. This is the link.